your wrist being grabbed by stranger. Step up with your left leg. Turn your right hand clockwise and turn your body 90 degrees at the same time. Raise your left hand and let your fingers close together. Then use your hand as a knife to hit bad guy's wrist. Then you can escape from the bad guy. Last but not least, run as fast as you can. But remember, practice is also very important, otherwise, when someone grabs your hands from the back, you will be so nervous that you can't remember what you learned long time ago. You will confuse which leg you should step out with first. When you're still thinking, you will be taken by the stranger. So, don't forget to practice at least once a month. Let's review the whole action again.